So how did you fund the Orgzit? I mean, is it bootstrapped or it is, I mean, you took investment from somewhere or what?
So at Orgzit, we have been running Orgzit for 9 years now, and we are profitable. But we have bootstrapped it from the get-go. So Orgzit was founded by two founders. So it was me and my brother, and we invested a little bit of our funds into the business to start with. During our journey, we also got offers for angel funding and VC funding, but we took a decision to not take any kind of institutional funding, because we wanted to build the business in our own way, and we wanted to have that that independence of and that freedom of building the business in our own way. To bootstrap the business, initially in the initial days of Orgzit, both me and my brother, we did consulting assignments. So we were consulting in some other companies, which was helping us run our homes. And then as Orgzit as a business developed and as we got more customers, then the business became profitable, and we were able to come out of those consulting activities and focus our entire attention on building Orgzit.
This is something which is coming to my mind just now. And what is the meaning behind the name Orgzit? Because it's very trendy. I mean, it's like very crisp, but I wanted to know from you that what it is.
Yeah, so Orgzit is a short form for organize it. And at one of the basic things that we help our customers do is to organize their information, organize their data, organize their way of working, organize their reports. So we organize the things for them, and so that's what Orgzit means.
So means if you want to organize something, organize it.
Yes.
It becomes a short form.
Yeah.
Okay. So how Orgzit is different from all these?
Right. Absolutely. So first of all, at Orgzit, we have adopted a no-code architecture, and that no-code architecture helps the software solution be very customizable and to get the to be agile. Now, okay, what does agile mean? Agile means that in a software like Salesforce or SAP, which are more complex and they are more difficult to use, difficult to customize. If somebody wants to make a enhancement, let's say they want a new report, that could take a week to implement. But because of Orgzit's no-code architecture, making small enhancements just takes a few hours, or it can just take a few minutes. So now imagine, let's say you have a set of enhancements that has to be done one after the other, and let's say each enhancement takes 1 week. So to implement, and they have to be done one after the other. So to implement 8 enhancements, it takes 1 week, then second week, and so on till 8 weeks, right? Consider this with the agile software. In an agile software, you do the first enhancement, it will take a couple of hours, and you show the result to the user, and then do the second enhancement. And the whole thing, to implement 8 enhancements, you could do it in less than a week. You could just do it in a couple of days. So it speeds up the way in which the software is evolving. And today we are living in a digital age, very fast age. The business, everything in our life and business is working very fast. The speed at which the software is also evolving to match your business needs is very fast. It doesn't take months to implement enhancements. It takes hours or days only. That is one major difference.
Okay. So what are some other differences, like cost effective or anything else you would like to share with us?
Right. So because of the no-code architecture, it takes much less time to make enhancements in Orgzit. So because of that, it also makes this whole development process much more cost effective and much more efficient, because there's a human person who's doing the development, whether you're using Salesforce or Zoho or HubSpot, and if a change takes 1 day versus 1 week, so that's less developer time that's spent, and that directly translates to the saving the cost for a customer, right? But there are other benefits as well. For example, when as a customer you work with a company like Salesforce or HubSpot or Zoho, you're always working through a channel partner, because these are large companies and they don't support customers directly. Whereas with Orgzit, when we work with customers, they work directly with us, which means it is our team working directly with customers, helping them with the consultation on what they need, what kind of solutions they need, and then helping develop those solutions on the Orgzit platform. And this is a major, it's a major benefit to the customers, because our team is expert in using Orgzit, and that our team is only using Orgzit. Sometimes the people who work with the customers may also be the same people who work on the product, so they have a lot of product expertise. Whereas when you work with a channel partner, so first of all, the channel partner may be working with multiple solution providers. For example, the same channel partner might be providing services from both Salesforce and SAP. Secondly, the channel partners are not the same team. They're not part of the same organization, so they don't have that kind of a technical expertise as the product company itself. So because of that, the channel partner is able to bring only a limited amount of expertise from the product to the customers. Whereas with Orgzit, we are able to, it's the same set of people who develop the product and who service our customers. So, many times we also have this, for example, when we work with our customers, if a customer wants us to implement some enhancements into the product, our team is able to just implement the enhancement directly in the product and serve the customer. Whereas something like that is just not possible with company like Salesforce, HubSpot, or Zoho, or SAP, because the channel partner has no influence, almost zero influence on the product development roadmap.